ताकत कीर्तक धिंगर धाकत धाकर तक धुम कीर्तक धित तागिन धाकत कीर्तक धिन ताकत गदिगन नागतरता धाकर तक धाकर तक धाकर तक धाकर धा धाकर तक धाकर तक धाकर तक धाकर तक धाकर तक धा 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 धाकर तक धा धा धाकर तक धा धा धाकर तक धा. What you just saw was not just movements. It was memory, history, emotions, and rhythm through something we call as Anviti, an invisible thread that links different elements into one experience. Just as river carries traces of its past in every ripple, I used to rush from school to dance class every evening, and often finishing my homework late at night just to keep up with both the worlds. But I never took a break. And after my schooling, I got into Hansraj College, Delhi University. But over time, there was something within me that guided my choices even when I could not see it clearly. And that was Anviti. I know that. Anviti, the choice is the moment we realizes that choice exists. I was able to see all my options clearly and understood that why dance resonated with me the most. Anviti makes these possibilities to be seen even before one of them becomes real. People often ask me how I decided to become a dancer at such a young age. I simply answer, dance is my meditation, my sadhana, and I am a sadhak. And I want to be a sadhak forever. And I truly believe that Kathak is the only thing that has invoked my Anviti within me. I'll let you know how. For an example, I have to practice a single footwork sequence repeatedly until I could perform it flawlessly. मेरे गुरुजी कहते हैं कि जैसे ही कोई आपको एक नई शिक्षा या कोई नया बोल, नया मूवमेंट जो आपके थॉट प्रोसेस को चैलेंज करता है, आपको उसको अपने डेली रियाज में, जैसे आप खाना खाते हो डेली, श्वास लेते हो, उसी प्रकार आपको अपने रियाज में जो नई चीज़ आपको बताई गई है उसको ढालना पड़ता है, मनन चिंतन करना पड़ता है हर रोज़. एंड दैट्स पेशेंस. Kathak has also encouraged me to criticize myself and evaluate it. For example, if a posture looks good on my guru, it may not look good on me. I need to criticize it, evaluate, and then adapt it. I am not afraid of choosing something different. Because I embrace my uniqueness. And for me, Anviti does mean this, that celebrating individuality through dance. I dance because I enjoy and I like to be in that moment. Now, I would like to present you one of my favorite parts from the Kathak repertoire, which is Kavit, poem. Poetry in rhythm, or you can also call it as rap. So, presenting you Ganga Avatran Kavit. ये कवित मुझे मेरे गुरु श्रीमती अनुकृति विश्वकर्मा जी द्वारा प्राप्त की गई है. आई होप कि आप सबको गंगा अवतरण की स्टोरी के बारे में पता होगा, और अगर नहीं पता है तो कोई बात नहीं, ये कवित आपको बता देगा. प्रस्तुत करती हूँ गंगा अवतरण कवित. धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा तिन तिन ता ता धिन धिन धा धा धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा तिन तिन ता ता धिन तिन सागन जटा छाई हिमगिरि पर कर त्रिशूल डमरू लिए गंगा अवतरण हेतु आज विनती करत भागीरथ बाय। झर 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 शोर मचावत उतरी गंगा स्वर्ग लोक से। धरती कापे थर 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 झुके दबाए शंभु चरण। तिरकिट धित 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 चरण दादा उमड़ घुमड़ कर आई गंगा। उतरी गंगा स्वर्ग लोक से शिव शंकर की जटा समाई। भटक गई वह जटा जाल में सघन जटा की छाह न पाई। तब मुस्काए गरल कंठ से छोड़ दिए बस 3 बूंद को। एक बूंद आकाश गई और एक बूंद धरती पर उतरी। एक बूंद भागीरथ पाए जो पवित्र गंगा कहलाई। जय गंगाधर हर 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 त्राम ततथेई ततथेई। जय गंगाधर हर 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 त्राम ततथेई ततथेई। जय गंगाधर हर 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 त्राम ततथेई ततथेई। इसका जो नाम था ये गंगा अवतरण था। ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट इज अन्वति? Anviti can be understood as an unconscious word, unconscious force which is present within us. But it is only those who truly believes in themselves and possess the courage to take the first step and reach the desired goals. So, the essence of recognizing these possibilities and taking the first courageous step is what Anvati means. Anvati is not just merely about movements. It is also about the connection between the inner world of emotions to the external world of expressions. Since the concept of external and inner world has come up, I would like to share that these two ideas are closely linked to the 4 abhinaya. The 4 abhinayas are Angik, Vachik, Aharya and Satvik. So basically Angik means the body movements, the expressions we do through our body. Vachik, the padhant which I just did, Kavit and the small bowl of our nritya. And the third one is Aharya, costume, jewelry, and the fourth one is Satvik. This 4th type of abhinaya is considered to be the most difficult one because only when a performer genuinely feels the emotion, the expressions can be conveyed to the audience. The emotions acts as a bridge between dancer, performer and the audience. Now I would like to share, actually I would like to sing and do a bhav on it. क्षमा करती हूँ अगर मेरी आवाज़ थोड़ी सी यहाँ पे अगर अलग आ जाए तो। हाँ, this particular piece is called as Dadra. Dadra. Okay. राधा देखे कृष्ण को, कृष्ण राधिका को, के का कहूँ मैं चंद्रमा, के का कहूँ चकोर, बिहारी को, बिहारी को, बिहारी को. So this was a small piece of Abhinaya, the Satvik Abhinaya, when I can feel the genuine emotion, only then I can transfer the emotions towards you. Now, as my talk draws to a close, I would like to share a quote by Mahatma Gandhi. which most of you may have seen at metro stations. The quote states that the future depends on what you do today. At the end, I would like to share one of the beautiful texts from Kalidas. The text is, "Look to this day, the very life of life. In the brief course lie all the varieties and realities of your existence, the bliss of growth, the glory of action, and the splendor of your achievement. For today, for tomorrow is but a dream, and yesterday was just a vision. But today, well lived, makes every tomorrow a dream of happiness, and every tomorrow a vision of hope. So, look today, feel it, and such is the salutation to the dawn." Thank you.